Absen Service is great to work with because, as we all know, with technology and hardware, we always have some issues with the installation. And whenever there's a bad power supply, or something just didn't fit right, or the cabinets didn't get installed flush, we can always call up Absen Service, and they can offer the solutions and get us the replacement parts that we need out on time. Absolutely. When a panel fails, we had a power supply that failed. When that power supply failed, we were able to remove it from the wall, put in the spares that we had on hand, and then send the other one back in for repair. So the time that the video wall was down was very minimal. It definitely saved us money, and it provided us peace of mind. Because of the number of spares that we had on hand, we were able to keep the vault running. We were able to send stuff in for repair and get it back in a timely manner again. So it's very similar. It is the up-and-coming current standard for video walls is Absen. If you want to have that capability in your facility, which everybody should have, that's the manufacturer you need to use.